All right, guys, we got a signature series, Lincoln Town Car. This is what it sounds like before. Nice and quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. Again. We got this sexy 2001 Lincoln Town Car Signature Series. Let me show you what we did on it, guys. So we showed you guys the before. This is what it looks like after. Factory converters, total of 4 on this beast. Then we cut the Y pipe out and true dualed it 2 1/4 out the back. All the way, had to put custom hangers on it on each side. Then reused one of his tailpipes, saved us some money on it. Added a new tailpipe on this side. And then put some 3.5 inch double walled Natami tips right there. Natami always delivers. They have really good quality tips, guys. There they are, right there and right there. 3.5 inch, 2 1/4 inlet. Came out really clean, really nice. See that? Fits the car really nicely. This is where it was wide in right there, guys. And then it goes into the single muffler. So we cut all that out, opened it up, let it breathe. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. What'd I tell you? You like it? Yeah! He likes it. So the neighbor gonna be jealous now, right? It's over with. Right? It's so much better. It was so quiet before. That's before. The Lincoln, there was just a Lincoln that went by. Yeah. Sound decibels? 108, guys. He's happy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's definitely you, man. Them sexy tips. Think of that toe. I like it. She clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Lincoln Town Car, true dual straight pipes. Enjoy, guys.